What's up guys, my name is Harshal Mavani and in this video we take a look at handling exceptions. The simple straight answer would be the try-catch block, but there are many details which are often overlooked. Today we take a look at those details, and as usual all of this in 5 minutes. So let's get started. Now we know about the try-catch block. The try-catch block looks something like this. So we have try, we have catch. Catch takes a parameter of exception type, and we also have the finally if at all needed. So it is a good habit to keep the finally. Now, over here in your try block, you will have statements which are suspicious statements which may cause an exception. For example, br.readline. Now, when I say br.readline may cause an exception, that is because inside your br.readline implementation, somewhere there might be a condition like if some condition is true, then you throw a new IO exception. So it may or may not trigger, that particular condition may or may not trigger. And hence you say that this statement is suspicious and you place this inside your try block. You can have normal statements as well. It's not necessary to have only your suspicious statements. But what if a particular statement hits the condition and an exception is actually generated? In that case, your execution stops over here abruptly and goes into your catch block. And inside your catch, all the implementation present inside your catch will be executed. So if we have any implementation over here, that will be executed only and only if a particular exception is encountered inside the try block. If not, then the finally is executed. So a point worth noting is that your finally is always executed, irrespective of the catch block being executed or no. So in case you have a question like this, where you have try, catch with exception and finally, just remember the small tip that your finally starts executing as soon as your try starts executing. This will help you in your aptitude questions. If you have your first round with Java aptitude questions, this will definitely help you because this is a favorite question. You can find this question in many interview websites or many interview question series. And always remember that your finally is executed along with your try. Not exactly parallelly, but remember, if your try is executed, your finally will definitely be executed. Let's have a program to demonstrate the same. We have class try demo. Nothing fancy over here, just a public static void main. Inside the public static void main, I will have my try statement. I will have the catch block. Let me place the exception over here, exception E, and I'll have my finally block over here. Let me just save this program. We'll call it trydemo.java. Let's compile it. We have the cmd java c space trydemo.java. So we don't have any compile time errors as of now. So let's go ahead and put a few system out println statements which will help me trace the flow of my program. So system out println a. Let's just copy paste this inside my catch block and inside the finally block. Let's go ahead and compile it again. Java c space trydemo.java and java space trydemo. So we have a and a. Oh, let's just rename this. Not a, let's keep it b, and over here let's keep it c. Save, compile, run. So we have a and c. So that is the try is executed along with the finally. Now what if an exception was generated? So let's just create an exception over here. Remember, the throw keyword is used to create an exception. Throw new exception. Let's just generate an IO exception instead. IO exception, and we'll have to import the IO package. Import java.io.star. Save this. Switch to the cmd. Run it. Java c space trydemo, java space trydemo, and we have abc this time. So this was printed first, and then the catch block was executed because of this particular exception, and the finally was executed irrespective of the catch being executed or not. So can we have a try and finally only without the catch block? So let's try doing this. We have saved this program. I've commented out this statement because it will cause error. I don't want to see that error. Let's just check this out. So we have java c space trydemo.java and we have java space trydemo. In this case, there's no problem. So it's worth noting that you don't need a catch block with your try block if there are no exceptions being generated inside your try block, if there are no suspicious statements inside your try block. So try and finally can exist together, in which case, as you can see, A and C is being printed. So yes, you can have your try and finally together. Let's bring back our catch block. And let's try and print something in between these two. Let's say system out println trace or something like that. Let's just print hello. And this will not work because you cannot have anything in between your try, catch and finally blocks. So yeah, so you cannot have that. So remember, you will never have anything between these two. So try and catch, in between this, nothing. You will never have anything. Remember, this always causes an error. So this is an output type question which they ask in Java aptitude tests. So that's it for this video. We learned various forms of the try, catch, finally, and in the next video we will take a look at custom exceptions. Like if you want to create your own exceptions, how do you do that? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Keep watching.